Hola, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be chilling at my parents' shop. My mom was shopping, but she'll probably be back really soon. So yeah, I just got here and I'm gonna be bored at the store all day. Nah, just kidding. I brought my pull-up bar, but I got it in the car. Let's go get it. So this doesn't look safe. It's being held by two nails and this duster. So I'm gonna remove these nails so my pull-up bar could sit on there pretty good. Look at this thing. It looks like it doesn't even really have any support, but there is a block of wood right here, but it stops like right there. Check this out. But I'm sure it'll work. All right, let's go remove those nails. Let's find a hammer. Is this what I need? I can chop off the nails. No? Yeah? No? Okay. I can try pulling it off by hand. I'm gonna break my fingers. Yo, what the heck? Where's the hammer? Yo, I think my dad took all the tools. No. Dad, do you have a hammer? Oh no. I need to take the nail out. Yeah. It's okay then. So, I don't have a hammer. How am I gonna take this nail out? I could just like try to bite it off. Nah. How about I just use a different door? Yeah, okay. This door looks too wide. And it doesn't look supported. Nope. I think I'm gonna just look for something to take out these nails. Or maybe, I'm gonna just try to pull it out by hand. Let's try it. Do you think I could pull this out by hand? Pause the video and leave a comment below. Give me a thumbs up if you think I can. A thumbs down if you think I can. All right, let's do this. Wiggle it. Probably should have grabbed that glove. Oh shoot, it broke. Woo! Did you believe in me? I didn't believe in me, but I made it happen. Yeah. All right, one down, one more to go. Okay, so if I did the first one, I can do the second one. Oh man, that hurts. Whew. I'm breaking a sweat trying to pull this out. Okay. Yeah. God. Darn. Oh yeah. Your boy got it. Cheer. Okay, now let's go and put the pull-up bar back on. All right, it looks like it's good. It's pretty freaking hot, yo. Let me undress myself. Huh, what happened? Oh, who is this fella? This guy took a day off just so he can hang out with me. Oh yeah. Is it my turn to vlog yet? Okay. All right, awesome. What's up, guys? We about to go biking. We getting ready over here. I got my Clorox bottle, just in case I want to like do some pull-ups at a random bar. Gonna bring a resistance band for the hell of it. And yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about, but let's go and just head out. All right, let's go. All right, so first we're gonna hit up our homeboy's place and pick up a bike for Lick. Then we're gonna hit up the Spoke Easy to see if we can rent a bike from Melina. All right, let's go.
You lucky go halvesy.
On what?
On the best drone on the market.
Let's do it. All right, so we just pulled up to the Spoke Easy bicycle shop. This looks a lot different than before. Oh, it used to be over there, that's why. So they moved across the street to over here. All right, guys, so the Spoke Easy doesn't rent bikes out, so we're gonna have to do a change of plans. But I took advantage of being there and got some pedals and new handlebar straps. So now the bike's gonna be black and red instead of black and purple. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh, thank you. All right, so we couldn't find a bike station and we're gonna get this bird for Melina. So yeah, I caught up a bike shop that does do bike rentals, but it's kind of expensive.
How much
So-
was it? 35, 45.
Yeah, about 35 or 40 bucks for a whole day. And most of the day is already gone, so yeah, fuck that. Oh jeez. I almost ate the floor. I was just kidding.
I've been around here, y'all.
What?
I don't believe you.
That was better.
Alright, time to go pee. Yeah! Alright, let's see how long I can stall on a bike.
Quite an adventure. You're gonna pop your tires.
See, there's people that can ride their bike backwards. That's freaking hard.
Do it, Rocky. Do it. Go backwards.
Nuh-uh,
That's
you
scary.
can't.
Huh?
Here, let me ride your bike.
Go backwards.
It doesn't move.
It does. You got to pedal. It goes wherever you let it go.
Let me pull out the Clorox bottle. Yeah, sanitize the bar real quick.
Oh shit! I don't know. It's just nature, Rocky.
That you ran out of nowhere. Oh shoot. Bum, 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 bum. And there goes Peter. To the right. All right. Somewhere. Well, his car's over there to the right. Is he in the car still?
Right there.
He's not gonna come out.
Yes.
Well, you guys wanna go do some pull-ups?
Fine.
You know, I can't even do one.
Let's do one set. I got a resistance band. It's gonna help you.
I don't know if I can do a muscle up. I'm trying. Ray Molina?
Mm-hmm.
Oh shit. Too fat.
Alright, Melita. You can try it now.
Yeah.
Let me show you.
Everything.
Don't slip.
I'm scared it's gonna snap.
Nah, just go step on the ground. Okay, there you go. One. How you feel? How you feel?
Feel great. I feel great.
So we did a few little pull-ups. Now Peter is gonna look for a Lime bike or a Bird. Not a bike, but a scooter. And then we can start rolling. Rolling. So we at Freedom Park. This is the kids section, but they got a lot of cool stuff here. They got a 40-yard dash, pull-up bar, and a bunch of obstacles right there. I'm gonna go look for a pole, try to do some flag pose. Yeah. So we're scooter hunting right now.
Why this one's not working?
Yeah, we found these two, they're damaged, so we can't get them. But there looks like there's one over there that a girl's about to leave.
Either that or the lime where we was just at.
Yeah, and yeah, a Lime just popped up at the last spot. All right, guys, well, I guess that wraps it up for today. We got a nice adventure at the park, trying to find some scooters, but it didn't work out. Got some food, and I feel like sleeping. Yeah. All right, well, see you guys next time.